Hello everyone. So I'm back with the weekly guidance, and this is the from today to next today to Saturday's guidance, the whole week for the all the zodiacs. Let's start with. Aries. Aries, there is a beautiful energy and something wonderful is going to happen in your life. Whatever you are manifesting or praying, that is going to get fulfilled. So this is a wonderful time ahead. Keep doing whatever you are doing for your inner work purpose. A cycle is getting over, so something new exciting is going to come up. Baba is saying that in being over attached to your worldly roles, do not neglect your soul purpose. So be a little bit spiritual, not too much of materialistic, because whatever you are going to achieve, you have to take it for the next life ahead. So detach yourself from the worldly affairs a bit. Do some meditation, chanting, etc. Get more information about anything, be it personal life, professional life. If you are getting into a new job or business, or any opportunities are coming up, get some more information, angels guidance. And if you are going to get married, you have to gather some information about that person as well. Taurus, in this week, whole week you will be in hangman position, like you will be thinking a lot, overthinking, I can say, and you might be feeling like stressed, depressed, or directionless as well. But don't worry, this time you will get over soon. Amazing, there is ray of hope and you will get some direction in your life, so don't worry about anything. Channel Baba is Baba make you a channel of his work, so do whatever you are doing means selflessly. So that is Baba's wish. Only improving health. If you are not feeling well, or some health issues are there, then there will be some improvement as per angels. Gemini, you are feeling directionless in your life. You are thinking that there is no way ahead. You are feeling too stuck in your life. But look, this part is still open and you can move forward. You need to put your free wills and you have to work towards that. Be it personal or professional life, everywhere there is a ray of hope, and don't lose hope at least in your life. Abundancy, Baba is saying that you will receive the gift of abundance very soon. So something amazing is going to happen. So don't worry. Yes, everything will be fine. Confirmation from Angel. Whatever situation you are going through right now, it is not your final destination. So have faith on whatever you are thinking right now. Cancer, you are in a discussion mode with people, be it parents or anything. And if you are feeling like doing any marriage or something, so that discussion is going on and it will be fruitful. Also, there might be like someone might be thinking of finding divorce and all. You can go ahead. This is right time for that case as well. And life purpose, your life purpose is a caretaker and light worker of planet Earth. So whatever the purpose you have chosen during the birth, you have to follow that thing only, and choose a new direction as per Angel. If it is like not working, whatever and wherever you are, you have to choose a new direction. Don't get stuck in your life, and choose something new for yourself. Leo, it's a good time. It is like a lover's card comes out, like whoever is trying for marriage, or like a be it marriage or business deal or offers, any kind of offers you can do. And it's a reconciliation card also. Means like if you are going through some troubled time with your lover, then there will be some reconciliation as well. And as per Baba, karma is a cause and effect, not punishment. So whatever it is, you take it very lightly in your life and don't blame yourself a lot. Within next few months there will be something new, and there will be something exciting coming up. If you are looking for a new job, you might get it. If you are looking for new business opportunity, it might come up. And if you are looking for a marriage or something, already there is someone, and you might get married as well. So Leo, it's a good time ahead. It is not a bad one. And Virgo again, there will be some offer, like joint venture, business joint ventures, or new job offer, or I mean, like if you are not in talking terms with your partners or something, so there will be some patch up, reconciliation there might happen. So you are not alone. I am with you in every situation. Baba is assuring you that. So don't get tensed or depressed or something. Yes, there will be something new and amazing, exciting offers can come up, and good time ahead, I can say. Libra, you are too stressed right now, and you have fought with the world, your life, and everything. Now you are just like, whatever it will come up, it will. And you are praying a lot that the situation should improve, like be it personal or professional life. But the thing is that you have to keep your hope alive, and within 4 weeks or fourth day of this month, there will be some improvement in your life. So don't worry about anything. Shiv Shakti, balance the masculine and feminine energies in your body. So that means like today is Monday also, and Shivji's message, Baba's message for you. So you have to have patience. You have to be hopeful, communicate clearly whatever you are doing, be it business deal or marriage proposal or anything. There should be a good communication. Clear communication is all you required, nothing else. Scorpio, you will be in abundant position. It's like you have everything right now, job, business growth, money, everything. You are very stable emotionally as well, and you are very grounded. You are feeling very grounded also. Stay in this beautiful energy, and this will take you far. Live in the present. Tomorrow is a myth. It's always today. So live in the present. Don't think about the future too much, or whatever has happened in the past. Whatever today it is, everything is about that. A year from now, you will be in very good position. If anyone is trying for marriage also, then a year from now is the better time. Sagittarius again, you guys are in very depressive mood, and you are feeling backstabbed, and you are feeling like no energies are left, and this is not the right time to go ahead or move ahead. So have faith on divine timing and everything, Sachi, because yeah, means like from this month or within 10 months, situation will improve. It is not like wherever you are, this is the final destination. So have faith on the divine timing. Dreams, I will communicate with you through dreams. So be careful. Baba is going to give you, going to communicate with you through dreams. So whatever it is. Romance, whoever is looking for new partner or romance or something, a good time is ahead. So have fun. Capricorn, you are in too I mean like rude kind of mood or something. Means like be a little cool and calm right now, and don't take any harsh decision about anything. Situation will improve, and be little kind to others. Means like being too harsh will not take you anywhere. Sadness and gladness are two sides of the same coin. So means whatever you are going through, everyone goes through. I mean, it's a part and parcel of life. So take life little lightly, and enjoy this time, because this is Diwali time. You can enjoy with your friends, family, anyone. Being too sad about any situation will not serve the purpose. No has come because you might be thinking about something new project or new and anything new. It is not the perfect time right now. It might take some time, so have faith on that. Aquarius, whoever is looking for marriage and union or any celebration at home, it is the great time, and this is the time you can have lots of fun. Vows and promises, fulfill the vows and promises made by you and your family. So whoever has done any vows and promises to Devi Mata or something, so they have to fulfill the thing before getting married. So be careful about that. Baba's message: don't stop. Whatever you are doing for the highest good, and you will achieve something in your life. So don't worry. It is for your own good only. And Pisces, you are feeling too betrayed, and someone has left you in cold, and this should not happen. Means be it personal or professional life, be careful about whoever you are dealing. So this is the thing. And Baba's guidance: repetition in life, lessons in this life and in subsequent lives are repeated unless you learn from them. So take the lesson, Baba is saying, and otherwise it will keep repeating. Baba will give you lesson till the time you are learning it. Within next few weeks, you are going to achieve something great. Personal, professional life will flourish. Angel's guidance is that. So have faith on Baba, universe, and angel, everyone. So this was the reading for this week. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.